Right, so I have a Gentex Commander 3 horn strobe on chime connected to a light switch. So this light switch for emergency is only like a fire alarm purpose. So this light switch connect to anything. We're going to ahead and set this off. Oh, the strobe doesn't. Let's try this again. Oh, the fire alarm loose. Now the alarm broke. Okay, that's not good then. The fire alarm did go off. The fire alarm was on chime and beeped. Alright, let's go ahead and just... Hold on. Alright. There you go. Come on. Battery needs to get replacement. Overall, I'm testing the battery. Thank you for watching.